Well, many of you know that I do lawnmower demolition derbies, and I recently just built this model about probably 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago, and a lot of people will do it. I'm surprised how many people actually do it. I actually got my inspiration off one of the videos on YouTube to build one, but yeah, it's my first demo derby model. Obviously there's still a lot of stuff I have to do, like I started cutting out the holes to put on the headers, or I just recently replaced those headers. Cutting the holes out so I can put it on. Still gotta do the other one. And probably many of you are going to say, well, the engine's not complete or anything. I didn't really, I felt lazy. I just glued the two pieces together and put it in there, so. I got the battery box and the steering wheel in there. The battery box is actually from a model train building, and I used the scrap parts off of that. There's a gas tank in there, but it looks huge compared to it, so I just put it back there. Gotta re-glue this wheel on. It's no matter what I do to it, it won't get on there. But the decals I got from my dad's modeling kit, and his brother gave it to him. WeCrash.com, yeah. It's my first one, and there's still plenty of stuff I can do. If you're wondering what this type of car is, it's a 62 Pontiac Catalina. And here's the box it came with. 62 Pontiac Catalina. It was originally supposed to be a dragster, but I was looking at it and I thought that would make a perfect derby car. So, yeah, I'm going to mostly use 60s and 70s cars to make the models, and some 80s, but for the pieces on the door right there, the two welded pieces, I just used scrap parts like this that came from another model train thing. I was going to make a roof sign, but it looks too big. Yeah, I gotta glue the other wheel on there, but I think this side looks honestly a little better than the other side, but since the other wheel's not on it, it looks just kind of weird. So I also welded the things right there and put the two hood pins in. There's obviously still a lot of stuff I have to do to it, but you know, it's my first model. I'll learn. I'll get better. The next model I'm going to try to do is I'm trying to find a compact car, and I'm going to bend it up and make it look like it's pre-ran, but I'm also looking for a station wagon model. I really want to build a station wagon, because I think they're like the ultimate car to derby in, but anyway, yeah, I'm still working on it. I need to obviously touch up some paint. There's some white spots showing through. So yeah, there's my model, and I'll make another video of one I'm going to get pretty soon.